What coat are you wearing?
Mbese wambaye irihe kote?
Is it gossiping?
Mbese ntibyaba ari ukuvuga amazimwe?
God is calling you.
Imana iraguhamagara.
Throw that coat.
Ukwiriye kujugunya uwo
It will make you fall.
Irishobora gutera kugwa.
The Bible says,
Murongo wa 50 biravuga ngo
Bartimaeus came to Jesus.
Bartimayo aza asanga Yesu.
Amen.
Amen.
When people are chasing you,
igihe abantu baguhiga,
the best place to be is at the feet of Jesus.
Ahantu heza kuruta handi waba ni ku birenge bya Yesu.
Some of us, when you are in trouble,
benshi muri twebwe iyo turi mu bikomeye,
we want to go to witch doctors.
Twifuza kujya mu bapfumu.
We want to go to human beings.
Twifuza kugenda dusanga abandi bantu.
Bartimaeus
ariko Bartimayo
came to Jesus.
yaje asanga Yesu.
People can desert you.
Abantu bashobora
Friends can let you down.
Abantu b'inshuti zawe bashobora gutererana.
Relatives can forget about you.
Ndetse abo mufitanye isano bashobora
Employers can fire you.
Ndetse abagukoresha bashobora kukwirukana.
Business can collapse.
Birashoboka cyane yuko ubucuruzi bwawe bwahomba.
Connections can fail.
Ndetse nishuti ufite nabo wiringiye mushobora gutandukana.
The best place to be is at the feet of Jesus.
Heza ukwiriye kuba ni ku birenge bya Yesu.
Oh yeah, he comes to Jesus.
Maze atasanga Yesu.
He is not standing.
Ntabwo ahagaze.
He is at the feet of Jesus.
Ahubwo ari ku birenge bya Yesu.
At the feet of Jesus.
Ku birenge bya Yesu.
And is kneeling there.
Maze niho apfukamye.
Jesus asked a question.
Yesu aramubaza ati,
Bartimaeus,
Bartimayo,
what can I do for you?
Urashaka ko nkugirira nte?
Hey! What a question.
Bega ikibazo.
Bartimaeus,
Bartimayo,
what can I do for you?
Urashaka ko nkugirira nte?
Do you know what Bartimaeus said?
Muzi icyo Bartimayo?
Rabbi, teacher, I want to see.
Aramubwira ati, mwigisha, ndashaka guhumuka.
He did not beat about the bush.
Ntabwo yaciye impande n'impande.
You know ourselves.
Murabizi twebwe ubwacu.
When we are growing up many years ago.
Ubwo twabyirukaga mu myaka myinshi ishize.
When you propose a woman,
igihe wabaga uri kurambagiza
she can take even 6 months before she responds.
Yashoboraga kugutwara amezi 6 ataragusubiza.
We used to write letters during our time. No phone.
Mu gihe cyacu nta telefone zariho, twandikaga amabaruwa.
60 years ago, no phone.
Mu myaka 60 ishize nta telefone zariho.
No SMS.
Nta butumwa bugufi.
Are we together?
Ese turi kumwe?
We are just writing letters.
Twandikaga amabaruwa.
You write my baby, my darling, my bubble gum.
Maze ukamubwira uti inshuti yanjye, umwana wanjye, inshuti.
I don't even sleep here.
Ntabwo rwose ngisinzira aha ngaha.
In fact, yesterday I was dreaming about you.
Ndetse rwose n'ikigaragara ejo narakurose.
How do you dream when you don't sleep?
Mbese ni gute ushobora kurota kandi utasinziriye?
Those were lies of our days.
Byari ukubeshya byo mu gihe cyacu.
So you would struggle to win a lady.
Rero wagombaga kurwana intambara nyinshi kugira ngo umutima utsindire.
But nowadays,
benshi kuruta abahungu,
when a conception takes place, when a woman conceives,
iyo umugore asamye,
at conception generally,
akenshi yatwite,
the child is female.
Umwana abatwite bari umukobwa.
Until the Y chromosome comes.
Kugeza igihe chromosome ya igije.
That's when a male is born.
Aha nibwo umwana w'umuhungu ashobora kuvuka. Rero harimo abana b'abahungu b'abakobwa benshi.
Young ladies, are you listening?
Ese bakobwa bato bandi murabyumva?
Competition is stiff.
Uyu munsi guhangana
when
kuragoye.
A man you love with all your heart and kidneys and intestines proposes you, don't delay, just say yes.
Igihe umuhungu gukunda n'umutima we wose akubwiye ati ndagukunda, ntukabitindeho ujya gutekereza ko ugiye uvuga ngo yego.
You delay,
nutinda,
you go to another one.
Azajya ku wundi.
The competition is tough.
Ahangaha guhangana kurakomeye.
So Bartimaeus is asked a question.
Yego Bartimayo rero arabaza.
What do you want me to do for you?
Urashaka ko nkugirira nte?
You know, in Africa,
murabizi muri Afrika,
you don't ask a person, can I cook food for you?
Ntabwo baza umuntu ngo ese nagutekera ibyo kurya.
In Africa we just cook.
Muri Afrika turateka gusa.
And give the person.
Maze tugatanga ibyo kurya tugaha wa muntu.
Now, one old man
rero umusaza umwe
visited a daughter.
yasuye umukobwa we.
From the village he came to town.
Maze ava mu cyaro aza mu mujyi.
And the daughter asked, Daddy,
maze umukobwa baramaze ati,
this
Papa,
is 10 p.m.
ubu ngubu tugeze saa 4 z'ijoro.
Do I cook for you rice or macaroni?
Ese ngutekere umuceri cyangwa makaroni?
Or make a cup of tea?
Cyangwa se ngukorere
Or you may want rice?
cyangwa se
Or
urashaka
ugari?
cyangwa ubugari?
What do you want?
Ese urashaka iki?
Then the father said, my daughter,
maze aramubwira ati, mukobwa wanjye,
may have arrived, I'm home.
Jewe nahageze ndi mu rugo.
No panic at all, I'm at your home.
Jewe ntugire ikintu kigutera ubwoba, ndi mu rugo.
You can bring a cup of tea.
Ushobora kumpa igikombe
As you
cy'icyayi.
prepare macaroni and rice.
Ubwo urabuze uri kuntekera makaroni n'umuceri.
As I eat